Good morning. It's still snowy here and definitely on the chilly side, but today's an exciting one. We're finally building the floor. No more tiptoeing around the DPM or worrying about where to set tools down. Once this is in place, we're one big step closer to installing all of our power equipment. We'll start by tidying up, then build the timber frame, try out a slightly intimidating new tool, and finally cut and lay the OSB. You'll also see us drilling airflow holes through the joists, but I'll explain more about that later. And before anyone asks, yes, we built the floor outside so we could actually get nails in straight rather than at an angle. The only question is, will it fit through the door? Dan's convinced it will. I'm not so sure. You'll find out who was right later on.
Taken us 6 months to buy bin bags. Right, new toy day. This is our Milwaukee framing nailer. Very much embedded ourselves in the Milwaukee ecosystem now. Which of course is the expensive brand.
Yay! Woo!
This is the M18 Fuel 30-degree. Zero ramp up, no gas.
Look at that.
The sturdy boxes are a nice
Yeah.
feature of these.
Oh, that's a beast. That's weighty. Ooh. She's pretty.
The reason we stick with the same brand is because you can reuse batteries and save a lot of money by buying the, what do you call them? Plain, blank?
Bare.
Bare. You buy the bare tools, which means they don't come with a battery, and that will save you 100 quid or so.
It never fits my face. Yeah. Alright, so I put the battery in, we have nails, it's on single mode. And now we'll bump.
Good luck.
Okay. Okay, it's bumped.
So it's pretty powerful.
Okay, that's powerful. That's in. I guess we need to set it to lower so it doesn't go in as deep.
Yeah,
Is that backwards or the other way?
I'd imagine it's backwards.
This way?
Mm-hmm.
So it's about, what? How far should I go?
Well,
That was 2 clicks. So I'll only go 1 click. 1 click. Should we try it again?
Let's go.
Yeah?
Yep.
So freaking scary. I think, are we happy with that?
Yep.
Okay. All right, so let's
Rub it
attach. You want to use my tool?
Okay.
Don't point at my face. See? All right.
Do you want to try the bump mode?
Not right now, no.
Okay.
No, let's wait for that. We'll
Okay.
build up to that. Happy with that?
Yep.
And then I move it everywhere. I missed it completely. So here, but angled slightly, yeah?
Yep.
We're gonna go outside and see them all through the metal glass. Right, nail gun's on. That one's good.
We finally did a decent.
Wait till we can't get the roof in the wall. Not even a roof. Wait till we can't get the roof. The wall. The floor. It's not a wall. Oh, I need food. So let's maybe use describing words like skyward and groundward.
Okay. Groundward. Those commonly used phrases.
Okay, well, skyward, right? What's the opposite of that?
Yeah, groundward.
It works.
It probably is a word. It's just one of those funny things that you never say. But before you go, so you need to be straight.
I need to be straight. It's so helpful. Here?
Slightly up the hill. Yep. Okay.
All right, we have two in.
Right. Now
Let's do this one. But at least we've got two nails in that don't look complete dirt. That's nice, right?
Yep.
Are you happy with those?
Yeah, this obviously first one is quite high, which.
Yeah, it's because look at the bulk of that.
Yeah.
So maybe the ones on the ground, I try to put this on the ground side.
Or upside down. Right.
Okay, let's try upside down. It just feels like it's going to go flying off into, or your face.
Am I?
You're not in the way, but I'm a little bit worried about your face.
Okay, we'll just make sure that you're going into the wood.
Right, nail gun off. Safety.
We made more progress than we did on the inside, so.
And better progress. Yay!
Yay.
You made a friend. You just whipped your nose all over your hands. All right. Let's get the ends in. And then we can have lunch.
Get the ends in.
The others in.
Okay, so pass me your retaining rock and I'll position this and we'll nail that in.
There you go. We're good here. Are you good there?
Yeah. Do you want me to hold it from here? And you can...
No, I'll see. I'll see about this. You won't be able to correct my straightness.
Yeah. Well, you're gonna have to learn.
Well, I hope. What if the nail goes that far? What if I miss and it hits you in the face? We're gonna lift it up, and it's gonna be stuck into the OSB. My poor back.
Nice.
Is there any way you can push towards me? Yeah, thank you. Yeah? Oh, my back. Grab me some nails. They're in the shed.
I'm going to need to make another order for nails at this rate. Another 4,400 nails or 2,200 nails, what have we got?
We ordered 4,400 nails because I wanted free delivery. Next. Is that everything?
Yeah.
We made a floor.
Nice square still there. So we're going to want it upright to go in. Is everything clear in there?
Yeah, it's all empty.
Ready? Okay, do you want me to go in first?
Yeah,
Or you...
that's fine.
And am I at that
You're
end?
the back, yeah. I'll stay down here while you climb, and then we can rotate it. Be careful because the door frame does break easy. As in, like it, you can chip it.
Good?
Yeah.
Whoa.
All right, so that's the bottom. So we'll lift it in. Oh, can you pick one of the walls that doesn't have a noggin? Thank you. Right. So we'll get it on the floor and then we'll move all this cardboard out of the way. So if we tip it all the way over to here, so lower it down. Are you gonna fit? Am I gonna?
Wow!
It's stuck.
What's it stuck on? Is it the doorstep?
Oh, it's stuck on the door frame.
Yeah, okay. Can you, if you get out and push from... No, wait. Okay.
We're scratching out my door frame.
Yeah, that's what... I was going to suggest if you push from that end, from outside the door.
What am I doing?
Making sure that stays shoved into the corner.
We might have to just fix this corner. Something's making a noise. Shove your end down. Thank you. All right, let's get rid of the cardboard. The joist should be touching the ground. Should we leave it in then until we're done? Or let's just get it out. All right, we've got the floor in the shed, and we're gonna put the battery in that area, so we'll put some noggins. We drilled holes. I think it was a 13 mil hole in 4 places along each of the joists in the same place. And that will be for airflow when we put a floor vent, 2 floor vents in. So we're going to put one in that corner there, and then one in that corner there, and it will circulate underneath. And there we go. Now we just need the OSB.
And the noggins.
And the noggins.
Be very careful, it's very slippy. Okay?
Yeah, I just need to grab the step back on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna set it down, push it into the nook. Alright, do you want to move it for a second? Alright, lift. And now this side goes that way.
Okay.
We shouldn't both be on that side because we're gonna drop it.
You got it?
Yep. I need you to lift that side up.
Lift yours. Nice. This is too far in the nook.
Now if we lay it down, then we can slide it into place, okay?
Yeah.
Pull that evenly. Hi. We've got a shed floor. Would you like to see the floor? Come on in. Ta-da! We have a floor. 18 mil OSB. Look at how well it lines up. We're gonna get 3 mil rubber flooring and there's 4 mil there. So it's gonna be perfect. So very happy with that. And it fits. And it's strong. And it's done. Very happy with that.